Dear students, welcome to Cambrian virtual classes. Today we will study English for today. English for today for class 11 and 12. Dear students, what can you see here in this slide? Here you can see two different pictures. From that picture you can imagine some people are doing something. In one picture there are a lot of mangoes and a man is spraying over it, but we don't know why is he spraying over it. In the next picture, a person is injecting something to fruits. But why is he doing it? Can you imagine? Actually, they are not doing it for good purpose. Their purpose is illegal, their purpose is bad. This is food adulteration. Now let us see our today's lesson, food adulteration. Lesson 1, food adulteration reaches new height. That means the level of food adulteration is not in a small sphere. Studying this topic, you will be able to tell about something about food adulteration, what is the impact of food adulteration, this type of things will be possible for you to tell. Then you will be able to describe the state and level of food adulteration, and after that you can participate in discussions on food adulteration. In this diagram, you can see sources of food adulteration. In the middle, you can see food, and there are many arrows indicating or directing to the food. It means foods are being adulterated from different kinds of sources. It can be contaminated by animals and birds. From garbage and sewage it can also be adulterated. From water it can also be adulterated. These type of things have been shown here. These are sources of food adulteration. There are many other sources which are responsible for food adulteration. These are pictures. They are adulterating the food, and after the adulteration, what is the real picture of adulterated food? You can see it here. Different ways people are adulterating the food. These are all vegetables. That means vegetables are not free from adulteration. It can also be adulterated. And here you can see rice, and here law enforcing agencies, they are also trying to stop food adulteration, and here different types of adulteration sources. Rice can also be adulterated, rice and spice. But people are not sitting idle. They are doing something against this illegal practice in our society. People here are in human chain. They are protesting against food adulteration, food contamination. They are campaigning to make people aware. Our government is also trying to stop food adulteration. From different sectors, they are trying to stop it. Campaign against for food adulteration. And again you will have to come to the text, as our all informations are only for making our text easy. That is why a part of the text has been copied here. It is just for your sample. You will have to go through the text. Unsafe level of pesticides are present in around half of the vegetables and more than a quarter of fruits sold in the capital's markets, a recent survey has found. A 15-member team of the National Food Safety Laboratory. That means recent survey has been conducted and the survey found that different types of fruits, different types of vegetables are being adulterated by the illegal businessman. And after going through the text, you will find something more. What things are responsible, which people are responsible for doing this illegal practice. When you will go through the text, you will get some difficult words. You will have to find out the meaning from the dictionary, such as adulteration, its meaning is contamination, and these words will help you to answer the multiple choice questions. You can get some antonyms and synonyms. So you should read the text and you should find the difficult words meaning in order to answer the questions as well as to read the text. After reading the text, you can evaluate yourself by throwing this type of question. What do you mean by unsafe level of pesticides? Name some of the banned pesticides used in milk, milk products, fish, fruits and vegetables. And what does the following acronym refer to? FAO, BSTI, HPLC, these acronyms have been used in the text and you should get the elaboration form of it. And as homework, you can practice this type of topic like food adulteration. Food adulteration is a talk of the topic, and food adulteration can be said as paragraph, and I have noticed in different board question setters have said food adulteration, this term, as paragraph. And not only that, from this chapter question type flow chart can be set and summary writing can be set. Dear students, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you everybody. See you next.